Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create animated videos for free in Canva. So here I've already opened canva.com, and to start you can easily go to the left panel in here and then tap on templates. And in here under the create a design you can see the category video, so just tap on the video category. And after you click on that, there will be lots of video templates, animated video templates that you can use. You can just choose the one based on your needs. If the size of the canvas. If you want to make it landscape, you can go with this videos 16:9 or video messages in here. But if you want to make it portrait, you can use mobile or Facebook videos. For example, in here, I'm going to just choose one from here. Let's use this one. You can click on it, click on the templates that you want to use, and tap on this customize this template. And the template will be open. Okay, so in here, this is the template that I chose. You can see this is animated videos. You can always modify it with your own. For example, you can add your own logo, change it with your channel's name if you use it for YouTube. Example, I'm going to just change it into my YouTube name's channel's name. Okay. Like this. I'm going to put the logo up. Then you can change the logo if you want to, but I'm going to just add a random logo in here. Okay, let's use, for example, this one. And I'm going to change it. I'm going to delete this text first and put the logo inside the circle, just like this. If you want to change the color of the background, maybe you can just tap on the background itself, click on this background color and change it into the color that you want. Okay, you can apply it to all of the pages by clicking on change all. Okay, so this is now my animated videos. Here I'm going to delete this text again and change it into the logo, just like this, and you are done. To save the result, you can just tap on share and then choose to download it as MP4. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.